Let me show you all game turbo settings that we have available on POCO F8 Pro. So in order to find them, we just have to open the game turbo, and over here we can immediately find a bunch of different settings where we have the CPU and GPU monitoring. We can also see the FPS counter. We can also switch quickly between the balanced game turbo and while boost in order to improve the performance of the phone. It looks just like that. Besides that, we have performance settings where we can find enhanced visuals, we can find enhanced touch controls and network speed boost. Over here we can go ahead and clear our memory of our phone. We can also find the voice changer, we have a timer, D&D mode, we can also capture a screenshot, we can record the gameplay, we can also jump to game turbo settings. Over here we have casting, Wi-Fi, brightness and on-screen commands, I believe, or something like that, maybe subtitles. And in case you are wondering how does the game settings panel look like, then over here we can see that we have some general settings of the game turbo. We can also switch to the performance mode in here, and we have D&D settings as well. And that is pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.